Good thing we decided to go this far. This little O-ring right here. Broken. It just fell right out. And somebody siliconed it before. Big vacuum leak. Looks like it's 2 nuts on this bracket here. So if I loosen them up, I should be able to slide that off, unhook it. I'll do that. Yeah, I can't wreck these cables. Even though they seem sticky. I don't know if it's the carb that's sticky or carbs that's sticky or what. Let's see if I get up in there. Alright, yeah, I unthreaded that. And I was able to slide that out of the bracket. Okay, that's the one cable. Push this back a bit. That one goes underneath. Oh, I don't want to wreck these things. Alright, we got the one cable. We got the nut backed off in the second one. Just trying to wiggle her away from its hiding spot there. Oh, there we go. Some magic happened. It did a thing. Alright, so now pull that cable down. Go to the other side and see what I can do. Alright, so I went ahead and removed this piece here from the front. Hopefully that'll give me more room. So yeah, quite a task so far. I'm enjoying it though. What else am I going to be doing today? Alright, so I moved that piece, removed that front piece. So hopefully, go ahead and pull that out. We'll see. Hopefully that'll give me more room. It's kind of a nightmare to pull off. Alright, let's get back at it. Okay, I get it now. The reason why you pull the 2 right side top bowls off, wherever the heck these things are, because the coolant pipe, right there, you see the bottom fuel bowls? They have to go over top of that coolant pipe. And if you move it up, these bowls hit the frame. The distance between the frame and the engine is greater than the distance between the frame and that coolant pipe. So I jump over top of that. Right there's the problem. Alright, so I'll yank those guys off the other side. Yeah, you can see right there. Okay. I am learning. So there's a little piston in there and a spring. So what you have to do is pull this up, stick your fingers in there, walk it up as one assembly, and pop it out. Kind of aggravating, to tell you the honest truth, but should be what should be, I guess. There's an O-ring in there. Looks pretty clean in there so far. But that's the air side. Pretty sure should be bunged up. I'm going to throw this on the bench in a nice safe spot. And then carry on. Got her off. Wasn't really that bad. Now I could clean up here. I'm going to take these coolant pipes off too. Just to reseal them. Check the wiring. All right. Get this out here. Guess we'll take her over to the bench. take a look at her. Alright. Get to clean up this. Pretty clean up top here already, but I'll get her cleaned up some more. Throw a thermostat in it. Like I said, I'll pull all these coolant pipes off. I'm sure there's O-rings in here. I'll reseal all this. Okay. Let's get her on the bench. And let's see what we can do with it. Alright, I did learn something. Taking it apart, this little guy here moves nice and free. I'm assuming it's supposed to move nice and free. There's a spring in there. This guy, not so much. So I'm assuming that's a problem. Alright. Very first time in one of these things. I'll go ahead and start carefully dismantling the thing. I'll probably keep the main body together. I'll just tighten the bolts back up. The screws over the heck is holding it together. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know what's holding these carburetors on. PFM, I think. Oh, there's a power plunger right there, I'm assuming. That one's different. That must be the main carburetor. Well, it's pretty grungy in there. Let's start getting to it. Well, I got it ripped down. I'll throw that carb kit in it, or carb kits, or whatever you want to say. We'll put her back on the bike and let her rip.